Hey everyone, I am Anamika Shukla. I want to share something. If you feel this, please tell me in the comments. So, let me tell you, sometimes I think a lot about myself. I ask myself, why do some people not like me? Did I say something wrong? Did I behave in a wrong way? Was I too loud? Or maybe I was too quiet? This question come again and again in my mind, and slowly I start feeling confused. I start feeling that maybe sometime is wrong with me. Maybe I'm not good enough, maybe I'm not perfect, but then after some time I remind myself of a very important truth. Nobody in this world is perfect, and nobody is liked by everyone. Not me, not you, not even the best people in the world. Everyone has people who judge them, who misunderstand them, who don't see their good hearts, and that is normal. That is life. Sometimes people judge us without even knowing our story, our struggle, our pain, and our journey. But their judgment does not define who we are. Our accent, our efforts, our heart, these things define us. I tell myself, I am human, I am learned, I make mistakes, I try again, and that's completely okay. Instead of thinking about who doesn't like me, I want to think about who supports me, who believes me, and who care for me. Those people matter more than anyone else. Every day I want to grow, every day I want to learn something new, and I want to improve my English, I want to improve my thinking, my confidence, and my future. I don't want to stay stuck in the same place. I want to move forward slowly and step by step. Even if the steps are the small, they are still progress. I know my journey will take time, but I am ready for it. Because becoming a better person is not one day person. It is daily practice. I'm thankful for things in my life, for my health, for my dreams, for my strength, and for the people who truly love me. I like myself not because I'm perfect, but because I am trying. I am improving, I am growing, and I don't give up. Even as some people don't like me, I will still try, I will still shine, because at the end of the day, my life is shine. So today, I speak to myself with kindness. I am doing my best, I'm learning every day, and I am becoming stronger, I am becoming wiser, and I deserve love, peace, and respect. I don't need to be perfect to be valued. I don't need to be liked by everyone. I just need to be believe in myself and keep walking on off my path. And one day I will look back and realize every doubt, every pain, every lonely moment was preparing me to become a strong person I am today. I am enough, I matter, and I will write. And one more thing, do not waste your precious time thinking about what people say. People will always talk, sometimes good, sometimes bad, and most of the time without any reason. So don't let their words stop you. Don't let their opinions break you. Use your time for yourself. Time Use your time to learn, to grow, to improve, and to move forward in life. Because when you work on yourself, your life changes, your future changes, and slowly you become the best person you always wanted to be. So remember this, don't get lost the people words Focus on yourself, work hard, grow every day, and keep moving forward. Your time is precious. Use it for a dream, not for people opinions. So thank you for watching and tell me in the comments. Bye bye.